एडमिशन में आपने विषय सोशियोलॉजी रखा?
यस सर।
आपका जो शिक्षण कार्य हुआ है वो कौन कौन विषय में हुआ है?
सर इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग से ग्रेजुएशन है सर।
कहाँ से?
JIS कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग वेस्ट बंगाल। यस।
तो इंजीनियरिंग और इलेक्ट्रिक का जो ये था उस प्रोसेस उसको छोड़ करके आप ये बिहार प्रशासनिक सेवा या ये जो
यस
सरकारी सेवा में आने की इच्छा क्यों जगी?
सर, it was because sir from early childhood I dreamed of joining administrative services sir, and I had also interest in engineering. I was fascinated towards engineering department, electrical engineering especially sir. That's why I opted for a career in engineering first, and then after graduation I decided to appear for civil services sir.
सोशियोलॉजी का चयन क्या पीछे क्या है आपका?
Sir, this was because electrical engineering has vast syllabus in UPSC and BPSC as well, and sociology was something when I started reading, I developed it kind of interest in this subject, and the syllabus was also lesser than electrical engineering, which could have been completed in less time, sir. That's why I chose optional as sociology, sir.
एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में
यस सर
सोशियोलॉजी का कितना बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है?
सर, in sociology we study about society, we study about social institutions, we study about the interactions between different social institutions. So if we understand society well, we can implement government's policies and programs on the ground effectively, sir. We can give feedback effectively, sir.
बिहार में एक समिट हो रहा है, बिहार में।
यस सर।
इन्वेस्टमेंट।
यस सर।
इसके बारे में क्या आपको जानकारी?
सर, बिहार ग्लोबल it is to attract sir investments in Bihar, sir. We are lacking in investments, sir, particularly in industrial sector. So we are organizing this event so that we can attract investments in different sectors, particularly in industrial sector, sir. Particularly in sectors like food processing, which we have good production, sir, capability to provide raw materials to food processing industry and other industries as well, sir. We can attract investment and produce jobs, and it can enhance our GSDP, sir.
नवादा के रहने वाले?
यस सर।
नवादा में कहाँ पर? हिसुआ?
यस सर।
हिसुआ। तो हिसुआ के संबंध में बताइए, हिसुआ से राजगीर की दूरी क्या है?
Sir, Hisua to Rajgir is approximately, I am not confirmed, sir, but it's 50 kilometer approximately.
50?
I am not sure, sir.
तो आप हिसुआ के रहने वाले हैं, अपने जिला के बारे में नहीं बताइएगा। हिसुआ से राजगीर हमको नहीं लगता है कि 15-20-25?
Sir, yes, less than 30 kilometer it is. Because it takes half an hour to go from Hisua.
उतना भी नहीं होगा। हिसुआ से नारदीगंज है, नारदीगंज से नारदीगंज तक फ्लैट है उसका।
हाँ, yes sir.
तो हमको लगता है कि 14-10-24-25 से चला नहीं होगा।
30 minutes it takes, sir, from bus.
मतलब 20 के आसपास, 15-20 किलोमीटर होगा, 20 मिनट।
Yes.
अच्छा, नवादा में कौन कौन सा रिवर है?
River. Sir, there is Sakri river, Dhanarjay river. Dhanarjay, sir. Sakri river and I can't recall, sir.
नवादा के आपको तो जानना चाहिए ना, अपना डिस्ट्रिक्ट के बारे में जानना चाहिए।
सर,
नवादा में कितने सब डिवीजन है?
2 सर।
कौन कौन सा?
हिसुआ एंड नवादा, सर। नवादा एंड सर I can't remember, sir. 2 subdivisions are there, sir.
रजौली,
Rajouri, sir.
नवादा में का एक चीज बहुत फेमस है।
Tourist place, sir.
हाँ,
Kakolat waterfall is very famous.
ककोलत वाटरफॉल कहाँ पर है? अगर हम आपको बोले
Yes,
कि
sir.
हम आपके घर आते हैं, आप हमको ककोलत वाटरफॉल लेकर के चलिए, और हम आपके घर पर पहुंच गए
Yes.
कि ये
Yes.
चलिए गाड़ी पर बैठिए, हमको तो कैसे आप लेके जाइएगा ककोलत वाटरफॉल को?
Sir, the road goes from Hisua, sir, and it is somewhere between Bihar and Jharkhand border, sir. So I am not definite about. I have never visited there, sir. So I can't.
आप जाते, इसका मतलब कि आप हिस्सा में आप नहीं जाते हैं?
I visit my village.
ठीक है, आप विजिट करते हैं।
Yes.
विजिट हिस्सा, but you are not studying there.
Sir, I lived 10 years in Nevada, sir, and then I moved to Patna. And
Patna.
yes, sir, and then
तो पटना में अगर हम आपको बोले
yes, sir.
कि पटना में से हमको 5 चीज यहाँ का दिखला दीजिए, सबसे अच्छा चीज कौन चीज हमको पटना ही घुमा दीजिए।
Sir, Patna Zoo is one of the place we can visit.
पटना जो
Then is Bihar Museum.
बिहार में ये
Yes, sir. Then we have some water parks in Patna which have established.
कौन सा वाटर पार्क, बीच वाटर पार्क?
Fantusia Water Park is there, sir. Fantusia Water Park. Then we have Patna Museum, Science Museum, sir.
तो म्यूजियम तो आपने
That is Bihar Museum, sir.
टोल म्यूजियम।
Sir, that is Bihar Museum.
Yes.
Patna Science Museum is also very
Anything else?
fascinating, sir. Yes, sir.
You
And
are missing the most important place of Patna.
sir, there is newly developed Marine Drive, Patna. That is also one of the place we can visit, sir. And the river side across Ganga, sir. That is also
What about Patna Sahib?
Patna Sahib is also a
Patna
famous
Sahib.
tourist. Yes, sir.
Why Patna Sahib is famous for?
Sir, it was birthplace of Guru Gobind Singh, the
What
10th,
Gobind Singh?
the 10th Sikh Guru of 10th Sikh Guru, sir, and the last one.
Most important place of Patna is
Yes, sir.
Patna Sahib.
Yes.
गुरुद्वारा।
Yes.
ये एक पटना स्टेशन के पास एक बुद्धा स्मृति पार्क बना है।
Yes, sir.
बुद्धा स्मृति, उसके बारे में कुछ आपने वहाँ किया है?
Yes, sir. I have visited Buddha Smriti Park. There is meditation center there,
और
and there is a Buddha stupa type of a structure.
Anything else?
Anything?
2 saplings has been planted there.
I am not aware of that, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Or people tree has been planted there.
I am not aware, sir.
आपने अब तो न्यूज़ तो आप पढ़ते ही हो।
Yes, sir.
ये COP28 क्या है?
Sir, this is Conference of Parties meeting of United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, which was held in. It was held in, sir. I don't remember the place. So it was.
तो उसका मेन थीम क्या है? मेन इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जिस पर लोग आज सहमत हो गया है।
Sir, it was regarding the phasing out of fossil fuels, but the Western countries were, sir, pushing for complete phasing out of fossil fuels. But developing countries which are dependent on fossil fuels, they were type of. Yes, sir.
सबसे ये 1.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक हुआ है। ये क्या है 1.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस?
Sir, it was a limit which was set in Paris Climate Agreement, which was it was decided that we have to limit global temperature below 2 degrees Celsius from pre-industrial level. But it was also decided that if we restrict it up to 1.5 degrees Celsius, it will be quite good for our Earth. So it was that, sir.
What is global warming?
Sir, global warming is